Hey guys, Tony Ash coming to you from Daytona Cycle Audio. Excited to bring some new information. So my wife just recently posted that we're now a Diamond distributor. We can carry a lot of products. We're very select with regards to what products we carry here because we're the kind of folks that actually use them ourselves. So for years I've been running the Rockford Fosgate Awesome 400 watt amp, but I got 6 speakers, and we had an opportunity to try one of their new 6-channel amps. I'm going to tell you, this guy right here is an absolute beast. 100% waterproof. It's a beast, I'm telling you. So now, you know, I've got the 2 speakers in the front, I've got the 2 lid speakers, and I have 2 subs, and I've been sharing the back with a separate channel, with the 2 channels, right? So at the end of the day, we thought, let's give this thing a quiz. Frank put it in today, we just wrapped this thing up, and I'm gonna tell you, this is an upgrade, guys, to what we typically do, but this thing is a beast. So listen to this. Unbelievable. So when you guys come out here, we've got a variety of different packages. This is amazing, absolutely amazing. What's the big difference? The extra wattage per channel, and all 6 speakers are on their own channel now. So, hey, can't wait to see you guys. Hopefully for Bike Week coming up, we're excited. It's been crazy busy here, so you guys take care, ride safe.